You all are welcome to my YouTube channel Studies Plus Tutor K. In this video, I am going to do the proof of Cauchy Reimann equations in polar form. We know Z equals x plus iy, and we can write it as r into cos theta plus I sin theta. We can denote it as r e I theta, and the function fz is u plus iv. In this function, instead of z, we can write r e I theta. Label this equation as equation number 1. Then take the partial differentiation of equation number 1 with respect to r. Takes f dash r e I theta times e I theta equals w over r plus I times w over r. Label it as equation number 2. Then take the partial differentiation of equation number 1 with respect to theta. That is f dash r e I theta times the derivative of r e I theta with respect to theta equals w over theta plus I times w over theta. Then solve it. F dash r e I theta times r e I theta times I equals w over theta plus I times w over theta. Now rearrange the terms. Take I and r at the beginning and then write f dash r e I theta times e I theta equals w theta plus I times w theta. Now you can see f dash r e I theta times e I theta. We found it. That is the equation number 2. Now we can substitute it to the equation. Now you can simplify it by removing the brackets. By comparing the real part and imaginary part of the both sides, we can find the Cauchy Reimann equation in polar form. By equating real parts, we can get w over theta equals minus r times w over r, and by equating imaginary parts, we can get w over r equals 1 upon r times w over theta. These are the Cauchy Reimann equations in polar form. This is the end of the video. Have a nice day.